If your Chrome downloads feel slow, stuck, or just not as fast as they should be, this video is going to help. Today, I'm showing you how to increase download speed on Chrome browser and unlock a simple 3x speed boost using a few powerful settings that can make a real difference. We're going to enable parallel downloading, switch to a faster public DNS, clean up memory-hogging extensions, and turn off background app execution so Chrome can focus more on your download. If you find this helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into it. First, let's enable parallel downloading. This is one of the easiest speed hacks in Chrome, and it can help split downloads into multiple connections instead of relying on just one. To do that, click into the address bar at the top of Chrome, type Chrome, flags, and press Enter. This opens the experimental flags page. Now click the search bar on that page and type Parallel Download. You should see the highlighted flag called Parallel Downloading. On the right side, click the drop-down menu, which is usually set to default, and change it to Enabled. Once you do that, Chrome will ask you to restart. Click the blue Relaunch button in the bottom right corner to restart the browser and apply the change. After Chrome opens again, this setting is active, and it can immediately help improve download performance. Next, let's switch to a faster public DNS. A lot of people don't realize that their default DNS server can affect how quickly connections are made before the download even starts. A faster DNS can help Chrome reach download servers more efficiently, which may improve the overall experience, especially when loading links and starting transfers. To change this, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and open Settings. Then go to Privacy and Security and click Security. Scroll down until you find the Use Secure DNS section. If it's not enabled yet, turn it on. Then change the option from With your current service provider to With and choose Custom. From there, select a fast DNS provider like Cloudflare at 1.1.1.1 or Google Public DNS. Both are known for low latency and reliable performance. This won't magically increase your internet plan, but it can absolutely help Chrome connect faster and more efficiently. Now let's clean out memory-hogging extensions. Some browser extensions can quietly eat up resources in the background, and that can absolutely slow down active downloads. Ad blockers, tracking shields, coupon tools, and even some security add-ons can interfere with network performance. To check this, click the three dots again in the top right, hover over Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. You'll now see every extension installed in your browser. Go through the list carefully and look for anything you don't regularly use. If you don't need it, either toggle it off or remove it completely. The fewer unnecessary extensions you have running, the more resources Chrome can dedicate to browsing and downloading. This is one of those simple steps that can make a surprising difference over time. Finally, turn off background app execution. Chrome can keep running background apps and processes even after you close the browser, and that can use up memory and divide your internet bandwidth. To stop that, open Chrome settings again, then go to System. Look for the option that says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Switch that setting to Off. This helps Chrome stop using resources when you're not actively using it, which can make your system feel lighter and your downloads more focused while the browser is open. So to recap, the fastest way to improve Chrome download speed is to enable parallel downloading, use a faster secure DNS, remove unnecessary extensions, and disable background app execution. These tweaks are quick, free, and easy to do, and together they can noticeably improve how Chrome handles downloads. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.